for years. I haven't had molars on the bottom. And my front teeth, and I've always had pretty teeth, but my front teeth had gotten so dull that I couldn't even bite through bread. I'd had to tear it. The way they handle it, they gave me x-rays before they even interviewed me. And when I told them what I wanted, they said they didn't do that. Of course, by then I owed them $1,000. This place is good. They have a good atmosphere. Everybody's friendly. Everybody's professional. I totally trust. I never doubted anybody here.
We talked about, hey, if we can work with the teeth that you have, we can do that, and that was his desire. And so we went ahead and actually restored his uppers with traditional crown and bridge, and got him in a really good place there. His lowers were in a place where it wasn't really an option to work with the existing teeth. For him, it made a lot of sense to do the full fixed, full arch lower set of teeth. We did the treatment, we did the crowns across the top, we did the prosthetic on the lower, and it's all fixed. And it's been really fantastic to see where he started.
He explained the whole technology, and we went through everything. I felt like I understood it, and I trusted him, and I don't feel like I've ever been let down at all.
We love seeing his progress, love seeing him stop by for his regular visits with hygiene. Just a good guy.
Most dentist offices are not like this at all. There was nobody here rushing me around to do this or rushing me around to do that. Everybody was real relaxed. I noticed that their attitude with the other patients was also real relaxed, and all the patients seemed real relaxed. This is a trustworthy place to go. You'll feel comfortable, because dentistry is always scary. I don't care who you are. There's something scary about going to the dentist. No, it's nothing. It's a pleasant place to be.